Hey guys, my name is Klaenyza and I live in Houston, Texas. This week I've been taking part in the 5-day apartment challenge and it's been so great at just kicking me in the pants and helping me to break out of my comfort zone. One of the things that I'm trying to be better at is talking about what I'm doing and sharing with my networks. So just every day we've had homework to do things like, post on our social media or, write a review recommendation, do a video like this. And it's something that just is so outside of what I would normally do, but it's so crucial to the life that I'm trying to live. It's so crucial to real estate. It's so crucial to any sort of entrepreneurial venture. So I've been so thankful to Jen and Stacy for giving me the opportunity to just break out of my shell and not only, learn so much great content around real estate, around apartment investing, but just also giving me steps to actually take action, take immediate action, and start moving towards the goals that I have in the life that I'm trying to live. So Jen and Stacy, thank you guys so much again. This has been such a great week.